Get ready to be amazed. Here are 8 shocking animal facts that will blow your mind. Number 8. Drinking alcohol attracts mosquitoes. Did you know that drinking alcohol can turn you into a mosquito magnet? And it's not just a myth. A study published in the Journal of the American Mosquito Control Association found that participants who drank a single bottle of beer were more likely to get bitten. Similarly, a French study revealed that consuming the equivalent of 3 cans of beer could increase mosquito bites by 30%, at least for men in a controlled test. Now, why does this happen? Alcohol changes the way your body smells. Tiny amounts of ethanol from the alcohol escape through your sweat, and mosquitoes seem to find it irresistible. It's like ringing their dinner bell. Interestingly, typical mosquito attractants like carbon dioxide from your breath or body heat take a backseat when alcohol is involved. However, your genetics and blood type still play a role in how appealing you are to these tiny pests. So the next time you're sipping a drink outdoors, keep in mind you might be inviting a few uninvited guests to the party. Number 7. A dog's nose print is as unique as a human's fingerprint. Did you know that your dog's nose is like their version of a fingerprint? Yep, every dog has a one-of-a-kind nose print. Just like no 2 humans have the same fingerprints, no 2 dogs have the same nose print. And this isn't just a myth as well. Science actually backs it up. A 2021 study found that a dog's nose pattern can be used as a reliable biometric identifier. What's even cooler is that this unique feature has practical applications. Instead of relying on microchips, which can be a bit uncomfortable for our fur babies, some companies are now using nose print technology in apps to help identify lost dogs. So, if your furry friend ever goes missing, their nose might just be the key to bringing them back home. Number 6. Several snake heads can still kill. Here's a chilling fact. Even a decapitated snake head can still bite and inject venom. That's right. Just because a snake looks dead doesn't mean it's harmless. Their nervous system can still respond to stimuli like touch, hours or even longer after death, which means they can still strike and deliver venom. This isn't just a wild theory, it's something that's actually happened. On January 23, 1953, the Daily Telegraph ran an article titled "Severed Head of Snake Kills Woman." According to the story, a woman had been bitten by the severed head of a snake, and tragically, the venom proved fatal. Cases like this just show how dangerous and persistent these creatures can be, even after death. The science behind this is fascinating but terrifying. Snakes have reflexive biting mechanisms, and their venom glands remain functional for hours or even longer after they're killed. It's a survival trait, but it can also lead to deadly surprises for humans who don't know about it. So if you ever encounter a snake, even a supposedly dead one, stay away from it. Number 5. Male penguins give pebbles to female penguins as gifts. Imagine getting pebbles as your Valentine's present. We're not so sure about you, but we'd probably be furious. However, female penguins seem to have a different opinion. Instead of chocolates or flowers, male penguins give pebbles to their potential mates, and the females absolutely love it. In the penguin world, a smooth, shiny pebble is the ultimate love token. Male penguins carefully search for the perfect pebble, sometimes even stealing one from another nest and present it to a female. If she accepts it, it's like saying yes to a lifetime together. They'll then use these pebbles to build a cozy nest where they can lay and protect their eggs. And it's not just adorable, it's practical too. Pebble nests help keep their eggs safe and dry, especially in rocky or icy environments. So, the better the pebbles, the cozier and safer the nest. Maybe it's a reminder to us that thoughtful gifts can really go a long way in winning someone's heart. But just a heads up, giving pebbles to your partner is probably not the best idea. Hey, enjoying what you're learning? If yes, hit the subscribe button now so that you don't miss out on more interesting facts from us. Number 4, cows are surprisingly bad for the environment. We all know cows are cute and tasty, but did you know that they come with a huge environmental cost? It's not just about the resources needed to raise them, like the massive amounts of land, water, and feed that lead to deforestation and water pollution. The cows themselves are the problem. Why? Because cows are methane machines. This potent greenhouse gas is way worse than carbon dioxide when it comes to trapping heat in the atmosphere. Here's how it works. Cows have a unique digestive system that allows them to break down tough plant material, but in the process, they release methane through their burps. And we're not talking small amounts. A single cow can release up to 220 pounds of methane each year. Multiply that by billions of cows worldwide, and it's no wonder they have such a big impact on climate change. To put it simply, cows leave a massive carbon footprint. So, the next time you're enjoying a steak, take a moment to think about the planet and maybe consider trying a plant-based meal every now and then. Number 3, goats have almost 360-degree vision. Did you know goats can see up to 340 degrees around them without even turning their heads? This impressive field of vision is due to their unique rectangular-shaped pupils, which give them one of the widest ranges of vision in the animal kingdom. For comparison, humans can only see about 180 degrees, so goats have a significant advantage when it comes to spotting anything around them. And goats aren't the only ones with this remarkable feature. Other grazing animals like sheep and horses also have rectangular pupils. This design is an evolutionary survival tool. It allows these prey animals to watch out for predators from almost any angle, even when they're grazing with their heads down. Think of it as nature's version of a panoramic security camera. Their vision is perfectly adapted for staying safe in open environments, proving that sometimes the best defense is simply being able to see what's coming. Number 2, crocodiles have surprisingly weak jaw opening strength. Crocodiles might seem like nature's ultimate predators with their massive jaws and bone-crushing bite force, but here's a surprising fact. Their jaw opening strength is actually pretty weak. That's right. You could theoretically hold a crocodile's mouth shut with just your bare hands. While their jaws can snap shut with an incredibly powerful force, the muscles they use to open their mouths are much weaker. This is why wildlife experts can safely restrain a crocodile's mouth using simple tools like rubber bands or tape during rescues or relocations. But don't try this at home, okay? Even though their jaw opening strength is weak, crocodiles are smart and strong enough to toss or spin you around to shake off your grip. So unless you're a trained professional, it's best to just admire these powerful reptiles from a safe distance. Number 1, hippos could be more dangerous than lions or crocodiles. When you think of dangerous animals in the wild, a hippopotamus might not be the first one to come to mind. After all, they look kinda cute, right? But don't let their chubby appearance fool you. Hippos are one of the most dangerous animals in the world. In fact, hippos are responsible for more human deaths in Africa each year than lions or crocodiles. Hippos are highly territorial and can become extremely aggressive, particularly when they sense a threat. They can weigh up to 4,000 kilograms depending on their gender and can run as fast as 30 km per hour on land, faster than most humans. Combine that speed with their massive teeth, powerful jaws, and unpredictable temper, and you've got an animal you definitely don't want to mess with. And their danger multiplies in water, where they spend most of their time. Despite their bulky size, hippos are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes. If they sense danger near their territory, they won't hesitate to attack and they don't hold back. So next time you're on a safari or near a river in hippo territory, remember this. Admire these massive animals from a very safe distance. Alrighty, that's a wrap for our videos today. If you haven't subscribed to Discovera yet, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button right now. And for more fascinating animal facts, check out our next videos here. See ya!